Hello guys, so here's my lens coming from Mack camera repair. So this is the story. I bought the lens used 28 to 70 2.8 from B&H Photo back in just like the New Year's Day in 2015. So I haven't used the lens so far, probably like 3 times. On the 4th time somewhere I noticed that there's a focus problem, just the lens would freeze and so and become unresponsive. So luckily I purchased a warranty, extended warranty for used lens from B&H. I mean at the B&H store, but the provider is called Mack camera. So it cost me about $39. Then I claim a warranty and it cost me about $29 to ship. However, they ship back for free. Now I'm gonna see how it's packed. And something I asked them, because the lens came with the original box pouch. Let me see if I get it, and overall how it's packed. This is the box. Just kinda, I feel I packed it a little bit better than, because as you can hear, it's not very snug inside. Hope my lens didn't come in pieces, because definitely doesn't have any sign for fragile. All right. Okay. Definitely some materials here. Oh, here we go. This is okay, some papers, invoice. Let me see, what is that? I hope I don't owe them any money. It should be all included. I spoke with them on the phone, with my camera, the insurance provider, and they told me that this repair, I think they sent it to Nikon for repair. Here's the box. That's interesting moment. I don't know what is the purpose of this rubber band. Okay, otherwise, yeah, I guess since I sent my lens with the original box, which pretty much give very good protection, maybe they didn't feel like they need to put any more. Okay, and here we go. Oh wow. Oh, definitely the lens was repaired by Nikon. So interesting. I didn't send them the hood. Well, definitely here there is a, if the camera can focus, you definitely see it was in a Nikon repair facility. Even though it's interesting packing with a rubber band. Let's see. It says this product has been serviced and it meets manufacturer standards, factory standards. Okay, let's see. That's good. I guess you can see in the video. It arrives clean. However, I have my camera ready. Okay, it probably could be cleaner. I'm not sure. There's definitely like a little scratch on it. Over here. I'm pretty sure I wasn't there before. Let me try with that. To wipe it with something. Here's some. Oh, okay. Probably they use some kind of liquid to clean the lens. Right now it's very clean. I do have here in my box, which is, by the way, seems to be the original box of the lens. I do have the filter, just the UV one. I know many people say this is change the quality, blah blah blah. I honestly didn't notice. There might be some truth there, but for crop camera, crop sensor camera, I guess is not so. Try to eliminate any dust before I place this filter. I mean, it can be perfect. All right. The filter is on. Our next step is to bring my camera on. Yeah. It's really hard to clean those lenses. Alright, and this is the big monster, the D5100. As you see, it's still with my kit lens. I use this for a very specific reason. Moment of truth. Let's see. Removing the cap. It's an interesting story. One downside about this lens when you edit in RAW. Adobe Camera Raw does not have a profile for this lens because this lens is discontinued in 2005. Okay, seeking for focus. It's pretty. The override works good. It seems to lock the focus very easily. I mean, right now I'm pointing in pretty dark areas, so but before the problem was once the lens does a seek like this, you see from very close up to infinity, there was a huge problem. Then the focus ring was jumping and the camera pretty much became unresponsive. You see, you can take a shot. Oh, this was very low exposure. Well, this is for now. Definitely they changed some stuff. We'll keep you updated on how it's going on. For now, I'm very happy with the service. I pay about 800 for the lens. 840 was total with the insurance, and I spent $30 more for to ship the lens to my camera to be repaired. And yeah, for those 70 total extra dollars, I think it's worth, instead of having useless lens for which I spent like $800. So we'll see. Otherwise, this lens have very good reviews. The few shots I took were really very sharp, so we'll see. Thank you for watching.